Alright, so you've got an essay to write, and honestly, you'd rather do, literally, anything else. But what if I told you writing a killer essay doesn't have to be painful? Let's break it down step by step. First, understand the question. Seriously, don't skip this. Read it twice. Highlight keywords. Make sure you know exactly what's being asked. Now, brainstorm. Jot down every idea that pops into your head. Facts, opinions, stories, even questions. Don't worry about order yet. The messier, the better at this stage. Next, outline your essay. Think of this as your essay's skeleton. Introduction, body, and conclusion. For each section, list out your main points. This will save you so much time when you start writing, trust me. Time to write your introduction. Start with a hook, a quote, a fact, or even a question to grab attention. Then give some background and end with your thesis statement. That's just a fancy way of saying, here's what my essay is about. For the body paragraphs, stick to one main idea per paragraph. Start with a topic sentence, add evidence or examples, and explain how it supports your thesis. Repeat for each point. The conclusion, easy. Restate your thesis, sum up your main points, and finish with something memorable. A thought, a call to action, or a bold statement. Last step, edit. Seriously, don't skip this. Read your essay out loud. Check for grammar mistakes, awkward sentences, and make sure everything flows. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and your next essay might just be your best one yet. Good luck.